Yeah, welcome back, traders. We're going to go over the Flux Power Zone trading for the last 3 months with these accounts here. So let's get into it. Using the Flux Power Zone, this account is based on $1,000. And what we do is we withdraw the profit and put it into another account. Alright, traders, so let's get into the symbols here for the last 3 months. Let's go to the date right here, 3 months. You can see it here, 2017 01 to 2017 0401. Alright, so let's get into the symbols. US dollar JPY up first, 142. US dollar Canadian, $339. Aussie Canadian, $3.53. New Zealand US dollar, 90. Euro Australian, 147. Aussie US dollar, $459. Pound US, NL, $32.84. My nemesis right now, but I don't trade it that much. Euro New Zealand, 64.78. Pound JPY, negative 17 cents. Pound New Zealand, negative 159. And the pound Aussie at negative 296. Alright, traders, so that's just the one account. So we're going to switch over to the other ones. Let's go here. Last 3 months on this account. You can see the withdrawal. US dollar JPY, 222. US dollar Canadian, 241. Aussie Canadian, 1104. New Zealand US dollar, 5804. Euro Australian, 90.57. Pound New Zealand, 28. Euro New Zealand, skipped over that, 66.21. Pound JPY, 9.44. Pound Aussie, negative 14.58. And the pound US, I know it's an L, 18.87. Okay, so let's switch over one more. And that account was based on $500, that particular one there that we just viewed. This one is another one that's based on only $500. Once it gets, to a certain profit, we just take the money out. Transfer to another account so you don't overtrade the account. Okay, this one is Aussie Canadian, $18. US dollar Canadian, $219. New Zealand US dollar, 56. Aussie US dollar, $244. Euro Australian, 24.92. Pound New Zealand, 7.05. US dollar JPY, 47.47. Pound JPY, negative $1. Pound Aussie, negative $4.30. And pound US again, an L. I'm going to rectify this pound US. Okay, and those are the trades that I took. So let's do a quick, we'll just do a quick backtrack, and we'll do of of last week that I posted the video. So we'll just click on this for last week. So we did 179 last week with the symbols that I traded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones I traded. And it's not bad for for a week. I mean, not great, but it's not bad. Okay, that's that account. This one's based on $1,000. account. This one is, these two are based on 500. So let's click on this one for last week. We did 132 on that one. And this one's based on 500 as well. Because we're going to do a withdrawal. We're going to transfer the money today on these accounts to get them back to 500. And this one we did 139 last week. Those are all signals that I don't think we had any losses on this account. No. So that's trading the time signals with Back to the Future trading traders. So now I'll update you with a Forex market preview. Like I said, I don't take all of the trades on the power zone. You know, the ones that, if I'm available, I'll take the trade if it's in my direction, or you know, that I'm looking for, then I'll take the trade. Alright traders, I'm out. Update you with the market preview. Stay profitable. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And any comments, let me know. And stay profitable. I'm out.
Welcome back, traders. Getting ready for another trading week using the Flux Power Zone from Back to the Future Trading. All right, we're going to get started here with the Great British Pound AUD. All right, we're coming in here on Sunday. It looks like we're going to take a slight dip down here till 1700, and then 1700 we're going to the north. Going up, pull back, go up, pull back here. This one's 22, and it's going to pull back to 1 a.m. in the morning, and then we're going to start going back up again. And then we're going to peak out here Monday at 10 a.m. in the morning, and it looks like we're going down to the south. Slow pull back here, down, down, until we get to 2100 on Monday evening. And then we're going to go up, pull back, and then we're going to peak out here at 5 a.m. in the morning. And we're going to start to go down to the south. And then we're going to get a little hiccup here, a pullback at 1500. And then we're going to drop again. And then we got some real nasty action here. Look maybe for a buy signal at 4 a.m. on Wednesday. And it looks real nasty. And then until 8 o'clock, and then zip right back down. And then it's going to consolidate, and then it's going to start going back up in a way it was going before. Got a little pullback here on Thursday. This is not that long. 2 to 4, that's about 2 hours. And then it's going to start going back up. Looks like it's trying to go back up at the rest of the week after this nastiness here on Wednesday. So be on the lookout. And then it looks like it's just going to retrace back up, up. You got some pullbacks here, up, up, and then we're going to drop here on Thursday going into Friday at 2300. Looks like we're going down until 3 in the morning, and then we're going back up on Friday. Well, yeah, it looks like it's going back up on Friday. I got a nasty dip here though, but overall looks like it's going right back up. All right, that is the pound New Zealand. Took over the top spot at 155 pips daily trading range in the last 4 weeks. Okay, traders. So next up is going to be the pound New Zealand. Okay, pound New Zealand. This is Sunday here. Looks like it's going to go down a little, not much, and then right back. Looks like sideways movement. Looks like if I'm going to take any trades on this, is going to be at 2 a.m. in the morning. Looks like we got some sort of an up move up until 7, a slight pullback till 8, and then here's a sell opportunity at 10 o'clock on Monday. Down, pullback, down, and then that should be it. And then at 1700, we're going to go right back up and up until we get up to 5 a.m. on Tuesday, and then we're going down. Looks like going down pretty hard here, traders. So be on the lookout for this trade. This looks like a straight down move. Wow, this is a high probability trade. Triple confirmation. You got the lines here. You got the the histogram here, and then you got the power zone down here. All right, so it looks like pretty much triple confirmation, and it looks like we're going down. But it's still bumpy though going down here. So you're gonna get some pullbacks, and then you see you got another same nasty formation here on Wednesday. Okay, 4 a.m. back up, pull back, 7 a.m. back up again. Then this is pretty nasty. But that's why with the power zone, I'm so glad. I know that this could possibly happen in the future, so I'm already on the lookout for this. Okay, and then we start working our way back up. After, let's see, that's Wednesday at 1700. Looks like we're starting to work our back up, and then boom, down move for about how many hours? That's from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m., 5 a.m. and it's gonna go down and it's gonna work its way back up. And then Friday we're coming in here at 2300. Looks like we're going down, and then we got some sideways action here, up, down, up, down. So that's the pound New Zealand dollar. All right, next up is going to be the pound JPY at 120 pips. The daily trading ranges are going down, down, down. All right, traders. Sunday we're coming in. Looks like the pound JPY is going to go down here when the market opens. Looks like it's going to go down, and then at 2100, looks like it's going to go up, pull back at 1 a.m. in the morning for about an hour, and then 2 a.m. we're going up, and then looks like we're going to go sideways after 7 a.m. and it looks like to me sideways action, and yeah, just back and forth, and then we finally go up higher here on Tuesday, and the sell marker is going to come in at a triple confirmation. 6 a.m. in the morning we're going down, pound JPY, until 1300. Then we're gonna go up and then down, sideways action on this as well. And then I think we're gonna bottom out here on Wednesday at 9 a.m. in the morning, and then it looks like we're gonna go up, and then I'm gonna put an arrow here because I see a pullback right here, pull back, and then I look for another buy signal coming here at 5 a.m. on Thursday, and then we're going to the north. Watch for the nasty pullbacks. Here they are. Here's one at 10 a.m. Then an up move 1300, which is a longer duration. I like to take the longer durations of time, and then you got one at 20, and it goes up 22, and then look like we're going to roll over here at 2300 into the south. And then after that, we're going to go sideways. We're going to go up and down. Traders up, buy, sell, and that's the pound JPY. That's on Friday. So we got some good moves here. So hopefully I can make some pips on the pound pair. So on the private funds, I don't trade the pound as much with these particular funds. But on other accounts, I do trade the pound a lot more. All right, traders. Now we have the next up is going to be the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand at 119 pips. Daily last 4 weeks daily trading range. This pair is going to come in here and it's going to go up. But traders, I think I'm not going to take any trades on this, because I see the lines here, and it looks like it's going up, and then it looks like it's going to go sideways. It looks like it's going up higher right here, and then it looks like a sell opportunity at 11 a.m. But I don't know how much it's going to move, from here to here. But it is a long trade, but it's very bumpy though. It's going to go up, then it's going to pull back, then it's going to go up, then it's going to pull back, and then it's going to go up, and then it's going to peak out here, and then it's going to start going down. To me, it looks sideways, so I'm going to look. I think I'm not going to negate taking this trade here, even though it may go up a lot of pips. I'm going to wait, and I'm going to take a sell marker here at 3 a.m. in the morning on Tuesday on this pair. Now it looks like we got a nice long duration, even though it's going down a little sideways, but we're still breaking lower. All right, then we pull back here, and it's looks like it's, yeah, this one's a tough one this week. Sideways again. Then we got another sell marker here on Thursday at 3 a.m. in the morning, and it's going to go up, go down, but it's still, it looks like it's going lower for the week here overall. But again, traders, it's not like a significant like break out to the south, so it could be, so a lot of sideways movement on this pair. So I only got a few trades on this one, unless I see something on my MT4 or my Ninja Trader charts. All right, Euro New Zealand. Looks like my best opportunity is going to be 3 a.m. for a short on Tuesday, and then try to hold it out, see how it works out. And then when we get up to Wednesday, Thursday, is going to pull back, and then look for another, maybe exit my, I'm going to put a green arrow here to maybe exit my trade here, right here. Or right here if I'm not available and I catch it. And it looks like it's going to go up, and then it's going to go right back down again. So maybe take another sell here at 3 a.m. on Thursday. And then other than that, it just looks like it's going sideways. Looks like it's going up, but not, aggressively. All right, traders, that's the Euro New Zealand. All right, next up is going to be the Euro Australian at 118 pips. This particular pair looks like it's going up when the market opens, so I might be looking for a buy trade on this up until 2200. Then we're going to go down, pull back. Looks like it's still going higher, but you're going to have to endure some nasty pullbacks here. And there's another pullback, then it goes flat, and then boom, it goes up at 8 a.m. in the morning. 9, pull a little bit, and then the 10 o'clock drop on Monday. It's probably a good opportunity for a sell. Now, over here, when it comes in on the buy, when the market opens, it's going to go up, depending on how significant it goes up, and then we got a sell marker here. All right, but this one is probably, you got a longer duration for a sell marker here at 11 a.m. on Monday, and then we go down, pull back, and go down, and you probably definitely want to get out. Depending on how many pips you're up, I'll be up here, and then maybe exit to re-enter on another short. All right, because this is quite a few hours here, traders. 2100, 20. It doesn't. You're looking at 3 in the morning. From here to here. So I would exit here at 2100. Depending on how many pips. If it's not a lot of pips, then I'll just leave it on. And then we drop big time. Okay, we drop and we just keep going down. It looks like, but we shall see how far we're gonna go. Because right now I'm thinking it's gonna reverse. So we'll see. And then we have a move here, a sell marker at 3 a.m. on Thursday, and then it goes down again. All right, then after that, it looks like it's going to go up, but it looks like it's going sideways. Okay, here's the histograms, and it looks like it's going sideways, but it's going up. And on Friday, a sell marker at 11 a.m. in the morning. All right, that is the Euro Australian. Okay, next up is going to be the pound US dollar. Where are you? That's my nemesis right now. Okay, the pound US, and I missed some awesome trades on it last week. But hey, you can't trade everything. But we're gonna rectify those losing trades. Sunday we're coming in. Looks like the pound is gonna go up when the market opens. And then we're going to peak out here at 9 a.m. on Monday and going down. Okay, and then we're going to go right back up on Looks like we're going to go sideways, go down, and then we're going to go back up on Tuesday at 2 a.m. in the morning for a short burst up, 6 a.m. and look for a short. Okay, so I'll just wait for the stuff. I like to take the longer durations of the move, so you don't have to monitor it as much because you got a long period of time. All right, traders. So then we're going to get here at 2200, pull back, and then looks like we're going to go up. Here's that nasty formation again. So we got some up moves. You got some nasty action right here on Wednesday. So this time is it's probably some news or something. 5 a.m., 8 a.m. Yeah, it looks like a formation, and then it starts to. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Yeah, so maybe I want to exit around here on the short and just maybe not even trade this. Because what it does is, like, you get these peaks, they'll just go down really fast. You'll be up a lot of pips, and then you're like, oh, it's going to keep going. No, it's not. And it's just going to reverse right back on you. All right, traders. So that's the pound US dollar, and then we got another one on Thursday, an up move at 5 a.m. And then it's going to go, probably going to go up a little more, and then we're going to reverse and go back down again. And Friday at 6 a.m. in the morning. All right, and then we're going to start going up on Friday at 6 a.m. All right, that's the pound US. All right, next up, traders, excuse me, is going to be, I think it's going to be the US dollar JPY. This one looks pretty clear for a US dollar JPY. As soon as the market comes in, I'm actually short right now. This is probably the only trade I held over on the weekend. This one is a short. So looks like we're going to be going down until it's going to pull back here at 2200, but not that much. Until Monday at 4 a.m. Go up, pull back again, and then 9 a.m. it's going to go up on Monday. US dollar JPY. This one is pretty clear. The trades on this one. 5 a.m. on Tuesday. Look for a short until 11 a.m. and then it's going to go right back up and top out here at 2200, and we're going to go right back down on Tuesday into Wednesday, a little bumpy, and look for a buy signal at 10 a.m. on Wednesday, and then we're going to go I'm still going to go up, and then we're going to peak out here at 2200 on Wednesday, going into Thursday, and look for some buy signals coming in here. One at 5 a.m. in the morning on Thursday, and another one at 10 a.m. on Thursday, going to the north. And then we got quite a few sell opportunities, possibly a formation here. 1700 sell, when it pulls back, 2100 sell, goes sideways, and then drops at 1 a.m. in the morning, and it pulls back again, 6 a.m. in the morning. And then it goes up again, and then finally it's going to drop again at 9 a.m. in the morning to the south. US dollar JPY. This one is pretty clear this week. All right, next up is going to be the US dollar Canadian. This one doesn't even look that clear to me, so I don't know how well I'm going to trade it this week because it's not looking clear. All right, market's coming in. U.S. Canadian is going to be going down. Traders down when market opens. Okay, and then I think the first trade for me, the up move, might be coming here at 6 a.m. in the morning. And then it's going to go right back down at 10 a.m. Sharp move down. And then still looks like it's going up because it's still on top of the histogram. Didn't go through the zero line, and then it's going to go right back up again at 3 a.m. in the morning, and we got a little formation here, pulls back at 4 a.m., then it goes back up at 7, and then it drops on Tuesday. All right, and then it's going to go right back up again at 1300 on Tuesday. Could be some sort of retracement here. And then I see a down move, but it's not that long. 1 a.m. to 4, that's 3 hours. But then it goes right back sideways. But the better drop is probably going to be here, 11 a.m. Wednesday, look for a down move. 11 a.m. dollar Canadian. Okay, and then on Wednesday, looks like it's going to go sideways, go up, do a head fake, like it's going long, and then it's going to drop again at, got a couple opportunities, 6 a.m. on Thursday and 8 a.m. on Thursday to the south. Then it's going to go right back up, traders, at 12 p.m. and right back up on a retracement, and then looks like it's going to go sideways and try to go up higher, and then we're going to drop again. 7 a.m. It's pretty nasty. Not very clear. Some real nasty action here on the dollar Canadian. So just be aware of that for this week. Again, I am going to trade it, but this one, I'm gonna definitely look out for these times. So technically, I may have to trade it on on the MT4. So let me go to my dollar Canadian that I have here. Let me turn this into, I got the wrong properties here. Okay, so I got a lot of lines. I got to clean up these lines. It's too many lines on here. I want to clean that up. So I like my charts pretty clean because I'm not using a lot of indicators or anything. Like just say this is the Euro New Zealand. Just basically using candlesticks, trend lines, the pivots here, and daily trading ranges. But using the power zone to execute the times that I want to trade and look where the currency pair is at on the MT4 or the Ninja Trader. All right, traders. So we got 2 more to go. We have the Aussie US dollar, which has been killing it lately. This one is so, look at this. It's like so, it looks like it's going up and then it just drops here. The moves are not that significant. First move up, I'm looking at possibly, because it's going to drop here at 1700 when the market opens. And then it looks like it's going to go right back up at 2200. And then we're going to go till 2 a.m. drop for maybe an hour. And then pull right back up. And then 8 a.m. we're going down to 11. And then we're going to go right back up. We're going to do some sideways pull back. Yeah, this is pretty brutal. Okay, and then at 2100 on Monday, then we're going down. This is a more significant move here. Got a lot more time. 2100 until 3 a.m. in the morning. So that's pretty good. And then we're going to reverse the position and go up. It's going to pull back, and then 8 a.m. it's going up. And then we got a sell marker coming in here at 10 o'clock. This histogram has it at 12. So sometime it does go a little further, but it looks like we're going to go down, but not that much. And then we're going to go, looks like it's going to go right back up, but it's very choppy, not clear at all. The histogram looks clear, but the HPC lines, which I like to get my precise entries on, are not looking clear. Okay, so, and then Thursday, look for a down move at 11 a.m. on Thursday. But not very clear. It's only a 56 pip trading range. This one I put on more of a position because it doesn't move as much as, just say, a pound Aussie or pound New Zealand. All right, traders, looks real choppy on the Aussie US dollar, but we'll see if we can salvage making some pips off of this pair. All right, and also next up is going to be the New Zealand US dollar. New Zealand US dollar is coming in. This thing's going up, but look at the the bumpy ride you got here to take this up. And then I got a sell marker coming in here at 8 a.m. in the morning on Monday. Goes down, pulls back. It looks like it's still waving down slowly. And then we bottom out here and we're going to start going up at 4 a.m. on Tuesday. Tuesday we're going up, then we're going right back down at 11 a.m. to the south. Okay, and then we're going to get in here. And Wednesday we're coming in at 3 a.m. in the morning, and we're going to go right back up until 1400, and then we're going to go right back down. And I think we're going to go down some more at 11 a.m. for another sell opportunity on Thursday, and then it looks like we're going down. Slight pullback here at 1700 on Thursday, and then we're going right back down at, let me put a marker at 8 o'clock here. 8 o'clock, and we're going down. And then also, traders, I'll show you where I got this toolbar. It's a free toolbar for NinjaTrader because, you know, it makes marking up the charts so much easier when you have them available versus I would have to click on this, go to chart markers, then that comes out. You know how much time that would be? Ridiculous. Okay, when you have everything right here on the toolbar, you just click, you know, arrows, however you want to do it, you know, your risk, you know, or a spot where, you know, it's so much easier when you have the toolbar right here. So I'll show you how to get that for free. And then you have a lot of other free indicators. All right. So this is for NinjaTrader 7. All right. So that is the currency pair. So I have a couple of videos that I took for trading the dollar Canadian last week. So I will update you with those videos. All right, traders, I'm out, and have a profitable week. Any questions, hit me up. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content, and we're going to get them again. We're going to get them this month again with this power zone. It's going in. All right, traders, I'm out. That's the U.S. dollar Canadian. Aussie U.S. dollar. We're still short on that, and we're short on the New Zealand. We're only up a few pips right now, but I'm expecting this to go down until 4 a.m. in the morning or 2 a.m. Well, 4 a.m. is gonna, you know, it's gonna go up, pull back, and then it's gonna start going higher until 10 o'clock. Okay, and then it's gonna drop some more. So we'll see if we're up a lot of pips. Here we'll close out. We don't want to get into the pullback, and then we'll re-enter right here at, if I'm available, at 10 o'clock. So we'll see all the way down to Wednesday, and then back up again. But overall, it looks like it's going down, as in my previous video. Yeah, welcome back, traders. Trading the New Zealand US dollar and the Aussie US dollar. We're going to exit the Aussie trade and the New Zealand because we're coming up and we pull in the power zone. This is the New Zealand. We're coming up here. It's going to go down a little bit more, but a lot of times you'll lose some pips when it's and the transition is about to go back up. So we're going to exit the Aussie trade and the New Zealand. They're the same. The pound trade, we're going to keep on the pound Aussie, which is right here. Because the pound, that's the pound US, sorry traders. Pound Aussie is right here. So the pound Aussie still has some upward movement here until we get to about 6 a.m. in the morning. Then we're going to pull back. So I'll probably exit there and then re-enter again at 11 o'clock for an up move. All right, and the Aussie US dollar, we're probably actually where we're at the Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie too, we may exit for a short period of time and then re-enter again. And let's see with the New Zealand. Same with the well, the Euro. Yeah, everything's going to be at 4 o'clock, so we're going to get an hour ahead of time for the exit. All right, because like a lot of times the smaller time frame will be pulling back sooner. All right, so we're going to start closing out all these trades because we're all positive on all of the trades from the power zone. I mean, we should technically go, let's see, right here, but
So it's trying to push down now. 69.93. I mean, we should definitely go there. Let's see what the Aussie. Aussie. US dollar Canadian. Look at the Canadian. It's to the moon. We got resistance there, but I don't think it's going to hold up for a big bullish candle. And we broke the downtrend line. Dollar Canadian on fire. QT traders. Let me just change the color of this here. Pound New Zealand right there. We're in the pound New Zealand as well. And like I said, the pound still is going to have some strength. I should have, took the reversal here, but I wanted to wait till the 2 o'clock. It was going down really hard right here, and this was probably the entry. So we'll wait for some sort of a pullback because we got a couple of entries on the pound. But again, the New Zealand and the Aussie's going to be pulling back soon, so I'm gonna close out. Welcome back, traders. Trading the 10 o'clock signal on the dollar Canadian. We already took some positions. We're up a few pips already, and it looks like it may close below the daily open line. So let's go to the power zone really quick. We got 2 minutes before the sell marker is going to come in. You're going to see this white line move right up here to the short. And we should go down. I don't know how hard we're going to drop with the yellow line because it's more. We may drop a little harder here at 1400, but that's not until what time is that? That is, I think, 2 o'clock. So we'll see what happens with that. But we're definitely going down already, as you saw on the MT4 here. On the MT4 right here, we're starting to go down because we're in that sideways movement here. Let's go right here. We're in that sideways. It was going up, and then it just had that sideways movement. So I wait till right to the end, and then we get right here, which we're going to have in 1 minute. You're going to see this white line jump right over here, and then we should start heading down to the south. So let's see what happens. There we go. There's a white line, traders, right above my arrow, which was a weak old signal. So let's see what's going to happen. Here we are on the chart. Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. Okay, we're back here. We were up here when the power zone. We came in here with the power zone on the dollar Canadian right here. We were right here. I sold it a few minutes before, and we dropped. I had bought the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar really didn't go up as much. A few pips, not much. So right now I'm going to be getting out because it's going to be going down. It's in a little bit of a pullback moment, but we're going to close all these positions out. And there you go. The Flux power zone. The market, we were up here. We're right about here. We took the trade. Big bearish candle. Pretty much immediately came down here. Pulled back, big bearish. Then a bullish pattern, but it was back and forth, and then we dropped. But the power zone had this move down here. So now we're going to reverse. So I am going to close my dollar Canadian trades and my New Zealand dollar trades. All right, traders. I'm out. Stay profitable. And again, the Flux Back to the Future trading software with the power zone. All right, traders, I'm out. Stay profitable.